Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. It's been a long time since I've been on, probably 3 weeks or so. I've been really busy here on the farm, so I have decided for a while anyway to do my videos in the middle of the week. The middle of the week seems to work out better for me right now with summer and all of that going on. It's kind of hectic around here. So I'm going to be doing this in the middle of the week for a while. I have been working on crochet while I have been away. I have been in several make-alongs, Christmas in July make-alongs. One is through the Proper Pineapple. She had a Christmas in July make-along. So I participated in that. And also Erin at Give Me Yarn 418 is having a Christmas in July and August make-along. So I am participating in that one as well. And I also did a tutorial that Krista from The Secret Yarnery had put out for dishcloth that was called a double daisy. So I did that one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my finishes and a work in progress. So I hope you enjoy what you see. So the first one that I'm going to show, I'm going to go ahead and do my work in progress. And this is, I found this pattern on Ravelry, and the designer is Dory Yummy, D-O-R-I-Y-U-M-I, right up there for anyone that is interested. And the pattern is called Lucky the Chihuahua Dog Amigurumi, which is right under her name right there. And here is the dog. Absolutely adorable. The dog is only about 7 inches, so it's not a big amigurumi at all. And it has safety eyes and a nose. So I need to get me a nose. I'm not very good at embroidery as far as embroidering, noses and things. So I'm going to go ahead and get me one. But it is so adorable with that little scarf on. So that is my work in progress. So I have pretty much made all the parts. This is the body part. So this is going to show you how big the dog will be. It's not going to be very big because that's the body. And then I am still working on the head, but then this is the head. So as you can tell, it's going to be small. Like I said, about 7 inches. So I have that done. I've got the tail done. And then I've got legs done. And I need to make the ears and another leg. So hopefully on my next crochet video I will have that completed or almost complete, and I will be able to show you a finish. Really excited about that. Really fun to work on. The next thing that I want to show is called Festive Sheep Ornament. Now these are really fun to make. I think I'm going to be making some more of these. I really like sheep after living on the sheep farm. I really enjoy anything sheep related. And when I found these, I had to make them. And here they are. They are adorable. They are quick to make. Here's the back. Quick to make. And I probably made these in probably an evening. maybe 3-4 hours. Very quick. So this one has the red scarf around it. It has safety eyes. I embroidered the nose and the mouth onto it, and then I just sewed everything together. Love it. And then here is the other one. He has a mint green scarf. And he has the safety eyes, and he also has the embroidered nose and mouth. So, and here they are together. Very, very fun. And these used an H hook, and that is the size that I did use for them. And the stitches are chain, single crochet, double crochet, and a treble crochet. So very easy stitches to do. So those were called Festive Sheep Ornament, if you're interested. And the last, well, not the last, but almost the last, is a mini cockatiel. I got this off of Ravelry. It's an easy pattern. This is a male cockatiel. The males have the yellow face, they have the orangey cheeks, and then the rest of them is gray. The females are just like all gray basically. So this is a male cockatiel. Easy pattern. It says to use an E hook, but I used a G. I wanted to make him, this is really mini. They were just little. This is still little, but it's not like that. I wanted a little bit bigger. So I got a bigger hook, and this is mine. Cute, cute little cockatiel. He has his plume up at the top. He has safety eyes, embroidered nose, embroidered feet. His cheeks are orange felt. And then I just sew the wings on the side. There's the back. Sits up really nicely. Really enjoyed making it. Really quick stitch. I would say probably a couple of hours. Really, really fun. So there's that one. And that once again was called Mini Cockatiel. Fun stitch, and it does say right here that it's easy. It is an easy pattern. And the last thing that I want to show you is what I made with a tutorial from Krista at The Secret Yarnery here on YouTube. Please go check her out. She does tutorials, and she was doing one on a double daisy dishcloth. So I just followed along with her, and when she got so far ahead, then I would pause it and I would work what she said to work, and then I would start it back up and listen to her, and I just worked it all the way through with her. She's very good. She's very understandable with her tutorials. So if you're interested in tutorials, then please check her out. Anyway, the first one I did was this one. This was following her. I love that she puts the hangers on them so you can hang them by your sink so they're ready to use. This would be like a scrubber. You would hold and you can scrub. That's the daisy. And then she's got the picots on the ends. This was sugar and cream yarn. It was just some scrap that I had left, so I don't know what it's called, what it's actually called. But that was my first one. And then I liked doing it so much that I made a bigger second one on my own. So this I made on my own. It's just white sugar and cream. I went around 3 times here instead of 2, so it is bigger. It has the picots, and of course it has the double daisy in the middle. Very pretty. I love how the daisy stands up off of the piece. So there's that one, and then this is my favorite. This reminds me of the color of the orange that's in it. It reminds me of those 50/50 ice creams that you can get with the orange on the outside and the like vanilla on the inside. That's what these colors remind me of. So this was done the same way, and this was her size. It was 2 instead of 3. I went around 2 here, but I just switched off color. And then my double daisy is that color. And this is also sugar and cream. So very fun tutorial. So that is really all I have been working on, but I mean, I have got stuff accomplished. And I'm working on something right now that I had won a contest from the Proper Pineapple, Holly, and it was for the amigurumi crochet along. And I was one of the winners, and one of the gifts was a pattern for the Kelsey shop, and I had won a cupcake, the cake of yarn. It's called Cupcake. It was called Pot of Gold, I think. So I am using that, and I just started on it, so I'm not going to show it. I just got about that much done. But on my next video, I will show that as well. So I am working on that. That's my first big project, and I don't know how long. So anyway, I think that is all for this time. I just wanted to come on and let you guys know I'm still here, just extremely busy with property things, and but I wanted to come on and get this video out to you guys, and just to let you know that I do appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you watching my videos. On the 27th of July, it was my 9th year here on YouTube. So it's hard to believe it's been 9 years, but I started in 2009 making videos, and I have enjoyed every minute of it. And it's because of the communities that I am in, and it's because of the subscribers and the people that watch my videos and comment, and all the interaction that keep me going and doing this, because I love doing this. I love, making the videos for you guys, and seeing what's new out there, and everything. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for continuing to support my channel through all of these years. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again on my next video.